really feels like people with disabilities are under attack right now.
Hundreds, if not thousands, of advocates gathered at the state capitol's West Steps this morning. They were protesting federal and state cuts to Medicaid and Medi-Cal and other essential services that could be devastating for millions. Early this morning, the House of Representatives passed President Trump's spending cuts bill. It included more than $700 billion in cuts for Medicaid over 10 years.
Shame on them. Medicaid supports people with disabilities, complex medical needs, and people who are extremely poor.
Here in California, federal Medicaid funds support Medi-Cal, in-home support services, and other regional center services for millions of people like Russell Dawson Rawlings.
My ability to get out of bed in the morning is reliant on funding to programs like these. In-home supportive services is literally one of the largest, most unique programs in the entire country.
At the same time, Governor Gavin Newsom's May revision to the 2025-2026 state budget does not have room to bridge the looming funding gap.
It's not just a state issue because we're both state funded and federal funded. It's a mix of funding, and the state right now doesn't have the resources to backfill if we lose those federal dollars.
Governor Newsom issued a joint statement with all other Democratic governors across the country in response to federal cuts, saying, quote, Medicaid is a lifeline for millions of kids, seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities in our states and nationwide. Republicans' proposed cuts would be disastrous, ripping away quality, affordable health care from families, forcing rural hospitals to close their doors, and causing fiscal chaos across the country. The notion that states will respond to massive cuts to federally appropriated dollars by backfilling with state resources is simply inaccurate and impossible. With Trump's spending cuts bill now heading to the Senate, advocates and people living with disabilities are worried amid all this uncertainty.
It's terrifying. I no longer feel like the United States can claim that we are on the forefront of disability rights.
Covering local news that matters, Noah Anderson, Fox 40 News.